I've already shortlisted the area of interest, Batapady Beach in Karnataka, India. As you can see on the Google search results, there are several search results which indicate that there is erosion on this beach. Let's open one news article. You can see that the erosion is particular on the Someshwar Batapady stretch and it causes substantial damages. This is a video which shows the scale of destruction. Batapady Beach borders the Arabian Sea on the west coast of India. So now our objective is to visually discern where and how much the erosion is taking place. So let's go to Google Maps and search for the beach. As you can see, the beach feature has been demarcated on Google Map using a technique which is not known to me. But then, as you would see, that the feature is over the sea and not on top of the land. And you can see Someshwar Beach and Batapady Beach, and we are particularly interested in the region between that. And you can see that there is blue sea below the demarcated stretch. Now this is unusual because let me just show you the satellite imagery and we can revalidate that the beach ends at a particular location, but the beach demarcation is at a completely different location. So it could be an you can say an error of satellite imagery demarcation, but then I'll present to you a contradicting example. Let's say Mandvi Beach, which is again on the west coast of India, and you see the demarcation over here. The beach demarcation is reasonably accurate, and I'm pretty sure the other beaches also have a similar property. But then when we see Batapady Beach once again, it is not that accurate. So the problem with Google Maps is you can just get a static you can say depiction of that particular area of interest. You cannot do a time lapse of it. So for that we can go navigate to Google Earth Pro, which is a more advanced mapping software from Google. Over there, once we search the area of interest, we can perform not only a time lapse but also do some basic measurements. So you can see the Batapady Beach has been zoomed in and Airbus has captured this image in 2024, and the data to Airbus has been provided by a few service providers, which is mentioned over there. Now Someshwar Beach and Batapady Beach is the area of extent which we have zoomed into, and we can go to the time lapse section, timeline section, and you can see that the imagery is available between 1985 to 2024, and one can scroll backwards to see the imagery available. So for example, this imagery is from 2022 February, and currently we have 2024 February imagery available with us. So now when you can do the time lapse, you can see how the area of interest, what kind of, whether it or not there has been a shift in the shoreline and whether or not there has been an erosion. So let's zoom into 2016, which is 8 years prior. You can straight away see that certain areas of the beach is full, whereas in 2024 it appears eroded. So let's zoom into a particular area. This is the area in 2024, how it looks like, and 8 years prior. Let's see how it is looking. Reasonably, you can say, much more fuller in size. So it clearly shows that there has been erosion, and if we go year by year, we can actually see what is the progression of it. But we'll use the ruler function and see that 42 feet is the size of the beach currently in 2024. The breadth of the beach, that is. But when we go to 2016, and if we just draw a new line, a rough estimation, you can see that it is 85 feet, 86 feet. So there's roughly, you can say, another 40 feet has been eroded over the span of 8 years, which is roughly 5 feet per year, which is a significant amount. So this is basically a visual check. It is not completely, you can say, accurate. It has a certain amount of approximation, but then it certainly is a good visual indicator for beginners and to understand what the area of interest is all about.